Good afternoon. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm showing you our Boston Whaler 17-foot Montauk 2020 model. This one's done in the ice blue or light blue. You see it's a bimini top boat. Has some accessories on it that normally you wouldn't find. This is more dressed up certainly for cruising. We have teak side steps here. And the most notable accessory on this boat is this large rear seat that typically doesn't come in the Montauks. So this is a very, very comfortable boat to be running on. You can see it's powered here with the Mercury 4-stroke and teak accent on the back swim platform. You can tell that it's ready for any electronics that you would like to put on the boat. Typically Raymarine, Simrad, or Garmin, your choice. You'll notice that underneath the helm seat is a large live well, and in front of the helm, which there's storage inside of the console, you have a large cooler with a padded seat and padded backrest. The boat is also equipped with a trolling motor panel, so it's easily adaptable for fishing if need be. This is our 2020 17-foot Boston Whaler Montauk, light blue, ready for you to come see. Again, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at MarineMax, Fort Myers. My phone number is 239-229-8862. Please give me a call and let me show you the boat. Thanks, bye.